Hi, welcome back to my channel. Digital products shifted big this year, way more than most people realize. And honestly, if someone is still creating the same things people were selling 4 or 5 years ago, it makes total sense why the results feel flat. The landscape moved, buyers changed, their attention changed, their expectations changed. And the creators who are quietly making the biggest profits right now, they're focusing on the very specific types of offers that match what people actually want today. So in this video, I want to walk you through 6 digital product trends that are exploding right now. We're talking about things that are simple, practical, and beginner friendly. Things you can jump into even if you don't feel like an expert and you're still figuring yourself out. Think of this as a guide to what's working right now so you can decide what fits your style, pace, and skill set. So let's dive in. Trend number 1, micro-knowledge products. This is one of the clearest shifts happening right now. People don't want huge, overwhelming courses anymore. They're tired, their attention is stretched thin, and the idea of starting a 40-hour course feels like adding another burden to their life. What people really want today is tiny, targeted solutions, something that solves one problem fast. Some examples you've probably seen everywhere. A one-page business planner, a 10-minute step-by-step tutorial, a help me fix one thing mini product. These micro products feel light, they feel doable, and that's why they're taking off. The reason this trend is so strong is because clarity and speed are more valuable than ever. When life feels loud, people want someone to cut through the noise and say, here, this is what exactly you need. And if you're thinking about jumping into this trend, the easiest way to start is just asking yourself this question. What's one 10-minute problem I can solve for someone? And that alone can turn into a $7, $17, or $27 micro product. It's simple, low pressure, and one of the fastest ways to start building income online. Trend number 2, AI-aided templates. This trend is huge, and it's not slowing down anytime soon. People want to use AI. They really do. But a lot of people are overwhelmed by it. They don't know what they can create or do with AI. They're unsure on how to get results they see other people getting, and that uncertainty becomes a barrier. So what's selling right now? AI prompt packs, ready-to-use workflows, business planners that pair with AI, templates where you just fill in the info and paste into ChatGPT. These aren't just prompt collections. What people are really buying is clarity. They want to skip the trial and error. They want something that works without them needing to understand everything behind it. This trend is so powerful because you don't need to be an AI expert. You just need to take something that feels complicated to the average person and then turn it into a simple plug-and-play resource. Think like this. Here's the problem. Here's the template. Copy, paste, and done. That's it. That's the level of ease people are looking for. Trend number 3, skill to side income guides. This is all about showing people how to turn one skill into income. Not a massive course, not a membership, just a simple, believable roadmap that says, here's how to take this one skill and make money with it. You've probably seen guides like how to turn Canva skills into 1K a month, how to create digital coloring books and sell them online, how to turn your job skills into a template shop. People love these because they're practical, they're specific. They give someone direction instead of just vague business advice. In a world where people feel lost and overwhelmed, straightforward income path feels safe. And most people already have skills they just don't realize are valuable. Examples like organizing, planning, designing things, writing, customer service, attention to detail, creative hobbies. The list goes on and on. If you ever think But my skills aren't specific. You'll be surprised at how many people wish they could do the things you consider normal. All you're doing here is taking something you already know, breaking it into steps, and showing the simplest path from skill to income. And that's it. Trend number 4, community-driven products. This one speaks deeply to human nature. We're more connected than ever online, but we feel lonelier than ever. And when someone is trying to build a business, get more organized, learn a new skill, or stay consistent with something, doing it alone makes everything harder. And that's why community-driven offers are exploding. Some examples you've probably seen: low-ticket communities, 14-day challenge groups, micro memberships, accountability spaces. And honestly, even a $10 community can scale like crazy when it's structured well. This trend works because people want encouragement. They want accountability. They want to feel like they're moving forward with others instead of sitting alone trying to figure everything out by themselves. You don't have to be perfect to run a community. You just need to guide people, give them a space where they feel supported, and be consistent. Community creates momentum, and momentum is something people will pay for. Trend number 5, use it today productivity assets. This trend is massive and probably the most universal one on the list. Everyone is overwhelmed. Workload, burnout, distractions, scattered focus. It's a lot. And because of that, productivity tools are becoming the go-to digital product that almost everyone can use. The products doing extremely well right now include things like daily planners, habit trackers, focus templates, do it with me routines, time blocking tools, procrastination helpers. What makes these so powerful is that they give someone immediate relief. It's not theory. It's not mindset work. It's something that they can download right now and use today. So if you already have a workflow that helps you stay organized or productive, even a simple one, that alone can become a digital product. And what's wild is how often people underestimate the value of something they actually use every day. Your little routines and systems can be life-changing for someone who's struggling. Trend number 6, creator toolkits. Creator toolkits are everywhere right now because content creation is basically required if you want to grow online. But most people don't want to spend hours thinking about what to post. Creators just want a shortcut, something that removes the guesswork. The products that's selling best include content calendars, hook votes, caption frameworks, Notion dashboards, short-form video templates, batch planning systems. And honestly, as a content creator myself, I get it. Most of us don't want to sit down and figure things out. We want to plug something in and get started quickly. The cool part is that a lot of creators already have systems they use, even if they've never thought of packaging them. So if you create content regularly, you probably already built your own little ecosystems of tools and shortcuts. Turning those into a toolkit is one of the easiest ways to create a product that feels genuinely helpful. So here's the part you should remember. You don't need to chase everything you see online. Pick one that feels aligned with your strength, your personality, and your skills. Combine that with something you're good at, and just start with your first small win. Momentum beats perfection, always. And if you want something to help you brainstorm, I created a free guide that breaks down the 5 digital product categories that are making the most money right now, even beginners with no experience. You can grab it using the link in the description or right on my YouTube homepage. If this video brought you clarity or inspired you to start something, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!